Basic terms in linear programming. In our previous videos, we have discussed that a linear programming problem is concerned with finding the optimal value, that is either maximum or minimum of the objective function of several variables subject to the constraint that the variables are non-negative and satisfy a set of linear inequalities. To understand a linear programming problem, we must first understand some basic terms that are associated with linear programming. First, we have inequation. A statement involving variables and the sign of inequality is called an inequation. An inequation may contain one or more variables, and it may be linear, quadratic, cubic, etc. For example, these are some examples of inequations. Next, we have linear inequation. A linear inequation is also called linear constraints as it restricts the freedom of choice of values of the variables like x and y. Next, we have a system of inequations. A set of two or more linear inequations taken together forms a system of linear inequations. Next, we have solution set. The intersection of solution sets of all the linear inequations in a system is known as the solution set of system of linear inequations. Most linear programming problems are solved using a graph. So we must be aware of some basic terms used in the graphical solution of a linear programming problem. First, we have half plane. A vertical line divides the Cartesian plane into two parts. Each part is known as half plane. Next, we have upper and lower half planes. A non-vertical line also divides the Cartesian plane into two parts. Each part is known as a half plane. The upper part is known as the upper half plane and the lower part is known as the lower half plane. Next, we have closed half plane. If the points on the line separating the half plane are also included in the half plane, then it is called a closed half plane. The graph of a linear inequation involving signs less than equal to or greater than equal to is a closed half plane. For example, the solution of x greater than equal to y forms a closed half plane. Next, we have open half plane. If the points on the line separating the half plane are not included in the half plane, then it is called an open half plane. The graph of a linear inequation involving signs less than or greater than is an open half plane. For example, the solution of x greater than y forms an open half plane. These are some basic terms that are very useful while understanding and solving a linear programming problem.